Welcome to 574 Lofty Lane in North Salt Lake, Utah.
Hey everybody, Scott Robbins with Summit Sotheby's International Realty. This East Bench Rambler has some amazing features. 2,500 square feet on the main with 3 bedrooms. It also offers this beautiful living room, great room area with vaulted ceilings and exposed beams. This home has amazing views and wonderful sunsets. The downstairs has a great walkout space with pool table area and flat backyard, which is unique to this area. Don't forget about the workshop downstairs that has over 800 square feet, perfect for all you craftsmen and woodworkers. If you have any other questions, please give me a call at 801-209-1120.